Well, good hot Sunday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home, the Sticks. Hope everybody's having a showing off good Sunday, and I hope y'all had a really good weekend. But I'm here to tell you, it's showing off hot here in East Central Mississippi. But what I wanted to make mention of, if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning, and just to see what old Dan's got going on over, I thank y'all for coming back. But what I wanted to share with you and y'all today is, let's go take a look at these Ruth Stout taters. Give me a second, and that's what we finna do. All right, you and y'all, approximately, probably close to 100 days ago, I planted out some Ruth Stout taters in my raised bed. Speaking of, when I say taters, I planted out some Yukon Gold taters. And that's what it is looking like so far. I want to say that we are close to 100 days on these taters. They're still green, but they've died back a lot. I've been getting rain on and off here in East Central Mississippi, so I thought today would be a good day to go on and get these guys harvested, and let's see what the outcome was. And after the harvest, I'm going to give you merely my opinions on Ruth Stout and Ruth Stout in a raised bed. So let's get to harvesting these Yukon Gold taters. All right, let's commence to harvesting these taters, and let's see what we ended up with. I will tell you that I am wearing gloves today because I have a really bad problem with fire ants here in East Central Mississippi. Not too bad. Got a few taters, and again, these are the Yukon Golds. So let's continue harvesting, see what we get. All right, we have finished harvesting our Yukon Gold taters out of the raised bed using the Ruth Stout method. Let's go take a look, see what we ended up with. All right, here's our little harvest of Yukon Gold taters. Nothing to be doing cartwheels over, but let's put them on a scale and see what we ended up with. Got some odd shaped ones too. All right, let's go on and hold it. And let's see, 3 pounds, 3.1 ounces. That's what we ended up with. I hope y'all can see that. All right, was it a blistering harvest? No, it wasn't. I kind of knew that the harvest wasn't going to be just extremely big. 3 pounds of taters will probably last old Dan, I don't know, a good week or so. I don't really eat a lot of taters. I like them, but I don't eat a lot of them. But let's talk about Ruth Stout, the Ruth Stout growing method in a raised bed. Dan, will you do it again? No, probably not. The problems that I found on my end over here in East Central Mississippi is it's kind of hard to keep the hay piled up on the taters, especially in a raised bed. If I had sides on that raised bed, it'd probably be a different story, and I would have had a bigger harvest. I don't know, but logically that makes sense. If the raised bed was contained, I could just keep stacking that hay up as those tater plants grow. And of course, the taters are going to be growing down. I probably could have got a huge harvest, but I just wanted to do the experiment with the deep mulch method in a raised bed. Yes, you can grow some taters in a raised bed using the Ruth Stout method. It's not going to be a huge bumper crop, but I grew some taters. The other thing that I have to contend with here in East Central Mississippi is red ants or fire ants. They were all in that bed. That's why I was wearing the gloves, because I was like, I'm finna get tore up. My feet got tore up, but that's all right, my hands didn't. There were red ants everywhere. And the infrequency of the watering. It's been raining on and off. You never know when it's gonna rain here in East Central Mississippi sometimes. So, I don't know. Was the experiment a success? I believe it was. I grew some taters. Would I do it again in a raised bed? Probably not. I may think about building a box of some sort, just to house the Ruth Stout taters, and maybe we'll see how that goes. So again, I hope everybody is having a show enough good Sunday, and I hope y'all having a good, safe weekend. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home to Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. That being said, you know it's coming. Dan Reference showing off, always gonna say it, even on a hot day. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You get your shine on. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.